How much life capital will you spend on CXC? I have been asked by students to sit or not to sit the exams. The truth, the regional exam body has given students a chance to defer or not to sit the exams until 2022 with no hidden costs or added fees. The SBA grades would also be used then once the students do so before May 1st, 2021. Is this an offer really worth taking? Hee-hoo! It will be for some students, but will this really come to you and your parents at no extra cost? The offer sounds good and a good corporate move if you ask me. But let's face it, do you know what will happen next year? What will you lose but the exam fee if you are not successful at all the exams? Will there be less students in school next year? I would not take that offer, with schools already full to the brim and technology so uncertain and the rising cost of things. If you do the exams this year, you can still do them next year. Life has not stopped for others, so I cannot afford to lose a year to uncertainty, and neither should you. There will be few that this offer might fit, but there is a folk saying in Jamaica that a bird in the hand is better than two in the bushes. So I suggest you think about the unpredictable future before you put your life on hold. Tell me in the comment, 2021 or will it be 2022 for your exams? Thanks for watching, and please be reminded to like, share, and subscribe.